Andy from Flushmate here. Today we're going to show you how to replace the flush valve cartridge in your Flushmate vessel. Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the entire installation and owner's manuals. Because Flushmate systems are pressurized, make sure you completely shut off the water supply to the unit and flush it to release pressure. Failure to do so could result in damage or injury. For this job, you'll need a pair of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver or 1/4 inch nut driver. The quick mate wrench can also be used in place of pliers. Always be sure to use only genuine Flushmate replacement parts. First, turn the water supply to the toilet off by turning the handle clockwise or to the right. Now flush the toilet. This will relieve the pressure in the Flushmate vessel. Now remove the water supply line from the lower supply shank. Next, using a paper clip, remove the existing shank inlet screen and insert the new inlet screen using your fingertip. Then install the water supply line back onto the inlet shank. Now unscrew the air inducer cap from the upper supply and remove the duct bill from the air inducer cap. Install the new duct bill into the upper supply, tip down, and screw the air inducer cap back on, finger tight only. To access the cartridge, press down on the flush lever and pull the white barrel forward and swing the lever open. If your Flushmate has a flush rod, loosen the clips and screws and slide the flush rod out. Next, remove the set screw from the center of the actuator cap with your Phillips head screwdriver. Now, insert the handles of your pliers into the fins of the cartridge and turn counterclockwise or to the left until the cartridge is removed. While the flush valve is removed, open the water supply valve all the way and let the water run for 30 seconds. This will help flush any sediment or debris out of the vessel and ensure a clean seal surface for the new flush valve. Turn the water supply valve off. Thread the new cartridge into the vessel clockwise until one black thread on the vessel is showing above the cartridge. You may need to use the handles of your pliers to do this. Turn the water supply to the toilet on all the way and let the water run for 5 seconds before you begin adjusting. Next, turn the flush cartridge in quarter-turn increments with your plier handles, pausing 5 seconds between each turn. You must pause in between each turn. Continue adjusting the flush cartridge in quarter-turn increments until there is an audible sound change in the incoming water flow and water stops flowing into the toilet bowl. Do not turn the cartridge anymore while the vessel is pressurizing. Allow the water to become completely silent inside of the Flushmate. Once the vessel has pressurized, press down on the cartridge to flush the toilet. After flushing, the unit should refill and pressurize within 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat this process once more to ensure the cartridge is adjusted properly. Next, close the flush lever and push down to slide the white barrel into the flush lever. Adjust the actuator so the flush lever is even with the right and left sides of the flush frame. If your Flushmate has a flush rod, slide it back under the retainer clips and place it back in the handle linkage. Then tighten the retainer clips. Now, adjust the actuator so there is 1/8 inch of clearance to the flush rod. The flush cartridge installation is now complete. For more troubleshooting and how-to videos, visit us at www.flushmate.com/resources. For technical support and resources, you can contact Flushmate using the information below. Thank you.